So hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to start off at the Stew Pony here in KINVER, make our way along the canal system towards KINVER Town. We're going to have a look at some narrowboats and take a look at the canal system. So I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys. So guys, we're currently by the Stew Pony here in KINVER. We're going to make our way along the Staffordshire and Worcestershire Canal, make our way in towards KINVER Town, have a little look along this canal system, and there's some lovely narrowboats along here as well. Yeah, so let's start our journey off here at the Stew Pony lock. You wouldn't want to fall in there, would you? The weather's took a turn for the worst. It's been raining the last couple of days, and it's a bit more colder today. It's a lovely stretch of the canal along here, KINVER. Black country flag look, flying proud. Some lovely narrowboats coming up here on the right. Lady Bellow, that one. There's about 6 here, moored up. Yeah, so we're going to make our way along the canal system, and eventually we should come out KINVER Town, which I did do a vlog on early on in the year. That one don't look too healthy. If you do enjoy your narrowboat, you'll enjoy this vlog. Don't forget, if you haven't already, consider subscribing. It does help the channel out a lot. Coming up to a little bridge here. Looks like they may live here. They've got a bit of a garden thing going on there. I don't blame them living in these with the house prices these days. Chuggington, that one's called. So guys, we're just coming up to Staunton Bridge here. Going to walk over here and carry on along the canal and see what else we come to. Beautiful scenery around here and lots of narrowabouts as well. Let's carry on this journey. Looks like we're coming up to another lock. A few locks here. One, two, three locks here to take you down into this here, this basin. We definitely don't want to be falling into there. Really well kept along here. Stowbridge Canal and Staunton Bottom Lock. So guys, we made our way from the Stewpony Lock over Staunton Bridge and we've come through a few little locks here, but I'm going to show you this. There's actually a narrowboat that's partially sunk, so I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you. So here we are, a narrowboat that's basically sunk. Jesus, that looks like it's been here some time. Look at that. Don't know if it's had some fire damage or what, but it's totally gone. Jeez. Look at that. This has been here some time, this has. See all the stuff inside, look. This has been sitting here some time. It looks like the kids have probably trashed it. Jeez. Tied up with a bit of rope. Basically sunk to the bottom, that has. Oh, that's where the kitchen was, look. Jeez, this is bad. Scrap this is now. So we've just come up to the Four Locks Bridge here. We're going to make our way through here and then make our way up and back along the canal system again. But how about that? A narrowboat sunk. It's scrap, that is. I don't know how they would move it from there. some more locks here. 4 locks bridge. Might actually have to turn back on myself shortly to get to KINVER. I think this is going out to the other way. So guys, I've had to make a bit of a detour back on myself, come back over Staunton Bridge, which is in the background there. Now I'm going to head towards KINVER and see what this stretch of the canal has to offer. So let's go and check this out. This is an absolute beautiful stretch of the canal system from the Stew Pony coming up to another narrowboat vista. Turmoil. I don't think actually anybody's in that one at the moment. Looks a bit derelict. First narrowboat I've seen moving along the canal. More moored up. Looks a nice one. Oh yeah. Nice narrowboat that is. 2 ladies driving it. Another nice narrowboat. Little dog sat on there, look, with a life jacket on. And another one. Might be turning round actually. I think it's turning around. Yeah, I think it's turning around. Here he comes under the bridge. Nice bit of turning that was. The dogs. And off it goes. So I'm still making my way along this canal system on the way to KINVER. Just going to make my way through this bridge now. Fingers crossed I should be on the right path. It's a couple of narrowboats, look. Few people up and down today. Let's just watch you go under the bridge. Mary Jane, it's called. Off he goes under the bridge. So we just come up to Dunsley Tunnel, so we're going to make our way through here. This looks low. Jeez. And it started to rain a little bit as well. Dunsley Tunnel. I've got to physically... this is all carved out of rock stone, eh? Dark in here. Here we go, out of there. A few more narrowboats here. Some solar panels on the top, that one. This stretch of the canal is absolutely beautiful, look at this. You wouldn't think you were just in KINVER. Got all sheep on the fields. With the big woodland behind it, look. This looks like a beautiful narrowboat, this one. Absolutely pristine. Wagtail. Yes, this one is. Bet that one's worth a bit of money. Registered at Watford. Number 8, 1997. So I've just come to these lovely old cottages here along the canal side. This one, or is it a few? It's really nice, this is. That dates back some years. So guys, I've just come up to Hyde Lock, and there's the Hyde Lock house there, right in front of you. Another beautiful stretch of the canal. There's about 10 moored up down here. I think we're far off where we need to be now. Tell you what, there's a fair few narrowboats moored up here. Slipstream. One coming down. This one looks an older one here, that's moored up. Water Genie. Old British Waterways one there, look. One looks like a really old one here. Little one. And that one's seen better days. Looks like a nice one here. Got a log burner and all. Tell you what, there must be 50 or more narrowboats parked up along here. This is a popular stretch of the canal. Slow but nice, that one. Normal boat here. Lady Patricia. Got all paper up the windows, that one. Lovely along here. Mothership, this one here. Nice one. Horses over there. I should have counted how many there was. This one looks like it's got stained glass in this one here. Yeah, so guys, if you are into your narrowboat and stuff like that, get yourself down here, check it out for yourself. Start off at the Stew Pony and make your way towards KINVER town. You'll see all these narrowboats yourself. This one's got a little bamboo balcony here. So guys, we've just come to the end of the vlog. We've made our way from the Stew Pony all the way to KINVER town along the Staffordshire and Worcestershire canal. But yeah, lots of great narrowboats there to see. I hope you enjoyed that vlog. Something different, guys. Don't forget, consider subscribing and liking our content. Till next time, catch you later.